Hello friends, welcome back. Many of you are messaging me and asking me to show you how to eat fermented food because you people are learning how to make the lacto-fermented vegetables like kimchi, sauerkraut, fermented sauce, fermented cucumber. But some of you are confused like how to eat those fermented food, whether you should take it empty stomach or with full tummy full, or how to eat those because sometimes those vegetables are very sour because when you ferment vegetables you get the lactic acid, right? So it make the vegetables very sour. There are different way to eat fermented food. So today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe which I prepare mostly because it's very easy, very quick, and you don't need a lot of ingredients. You can use whatever you have in your kitchen. And today is Sunday and I have to prepare dinner for the family, and I am like a bit lazy to cook a lot of things, so I'm just going to make quick salad bowl and I'm going to show you how I use the fermented food. Today afternoon we ate mutton curry and rice, quite heavy meal, and that's why at night I think it's better to prepare something very light, and that's why I'm not going to cook rice anymore. I'm going to cook quinoa. So I will cook the quinoa in the pressure cooker. So while I'm cooking the quinoa, I'm going to roast the pumpkin seeds. Here you can see the pumpkin seeds here. So I will roast around 2 spoons. Just dry roast. You can actually ferment the pumpkin seeds and then you can dry, or you can rehydrate and then you can keep in a jar and then you can roast those. But today I'm just using raw pumpkin seeds. I did not ferment this, so I will just roast and I will just sprinkle on the salad and it should be fine. So I will just roast lightly. You can hear the popping sounds. The moment it starts popping, I will just close because I don't want this to burn, so it should be lightly roasted. It's done, and you can see wow, I like this aroma. It's really nice. Okay, so I will just leave it here and I will just wait for my quinoa to cook. So my quinoa is ready, and now I'm going to make the quinoa bowl, and these are the ingredients I'm going to use. Here I have olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and this is fermented mustard sauce, kasundi, what we call kasundi. It's like, what do you call it? Sauce? Yeah, mustard sauce, tomato sauce, yeah. So this is kasundi. Basically it's fermented mustard sauce, and then here I have the fermented cucumber, and here my mutton kimchi. So let's make the dinner. First I will add the kimchi. This is my mutton kimchi. You have seen the video. If you have not seen, then I will put the link in the description. I did not add too much mutton, So you won't see lots of mutton pieces. So here I will add some cucumber. Don't want to add too much because then everything will be very sour. So now I'm going to add this. Little bit is enough because it's quite spicy, because it's Indian mustard. So now I'm adding some balsamic vinegar. Don't want to add too much because everything is sour here. Going to add some olive oil. Himalayan salt. Little black pepper. Fresh capsicum or bell pepper. So there is a surprise. This little chef is going to help me. So now I have already added this, and now I'm going to add fresh onion. Wait, I'll tell you what to do. Fresh onion, and I also have fermented onion, but I'm not going to add the fermented onion because then it will be too sour. So now the best part is mix. And you like that, right? Okay, so you can mix it.
How?
With the spoon, you can just mix it properly. Yes. Okay, so I will.
It's a very zero.
Yes, everything you can mix together. So I think the camera I have to sit. Yeah. Wow, such a nice smell of mustard sauce, kasundi, and also the
If you make
kimchi.
you're going to love it.
Yeah. So now the mixing is done.
Just follow my mommy's video, and then your fillet is going to be very nice.
So you know what to do, right? Because he said just follow my mommy's video. Okay, such a sweetheart. Okay, so now
You
the mixing is
like
done.
her.
Avocado is very soft. If you want to mix, then it will be like, yeah. So I'm putting some avocado. Okay, and okay, you sprinkle some of the seeds on top. Okay, that's all. No more. That's for you. Okay, this is for you. We leave it, and then we have. It's going to be yummy.
Wow, I like egg. You like egg? Some of you say yes, some of you say no. But maybe there's going to be a lot of yes.
You can actually add lots of ingredients, like you can
I'm
add
able.
lettuce, you can add the fresh cucumber, but I have added the fermented, but you can add fresh lettuce, cherry tomatoes, cucumber. Yeah. So the last item I'm going to add is the peanuts, roasted peanuts. You should eat the peanuts with the skin because the skin is actually very healthy, and the skin has lots of benefits like antioxidants and all those lot of things it has. I can't remember right now, but you can ferment the peanuts and then dehydrate, and then you can roast it. So always eat your peanuts with skin. Okay, so this is the final ingredients I'm going to add on top. This one. And simultaneously I'm also making bowl for her. Here is her bowl. I have also made simultaneously, but here I didn't put the kimchi because the kimchi is little spicy. She doesn't like spicy food, so kimchi I didn't put, and also she doesn't like onion, so I didn't add onion. But for her I have add ghee, because ghee is anyway, it's very healthy, clarified butter. So even we can also add ghee. You can also add ghee, of course. So our dinner is ready and we are going to eat now. I invite you all to come and sit with us and can have dinner with us. I'm sure you will like it. So yeah, so let's have dinner. And I'll see you guys again with lots of fermented food and drinks recipes. Stay happy and healthy.